Hello guys, my name is Amogenes. I'm going to show you how to install WordPress using the Cpanel. How to install WordPress on the Cpanel. This is Educators. And if you want to get affordable, reliable, the fastest web hosting for your business, for your company, for your brand, then come to eradar.com. eradar.com. We have the cheapest hosting and domain in the whole world. In fact, when it comes to the cheapest server with a high speed, let me show you why this server is, the speed of this server is very high. Now, let me show you this website, eradar.com. It's my official website. It's eradar.com. Good. Let me copy. This is my picture, as you can see. Let me copy this link. Let's search for site speed. Site speed checker. Okay, let's go with this. Okay, so first let's try this GT matrix. And I'm going to paste the link here, the URL here. And we are going to run the test to see how fast this website is. Okay, so let's give ourselves some minutes and we will come back here. Okay, so let me close here and continue. So in case if you want to install WordPress, straight away go to product and services. Let's go and see and check our results. It's still reading. Okay, so product and services. When you go down here, you will see the product or the products or the things that you have paid for. The domain, the hosting. This is the domain, the hosting, and this is the domain. If it is not here, you can see it here. Domain, then you see the domain. Hosting, then you see the hosting here. I would advise you to select hosting. After that, click here. It has opened. Now when it's here, you see login to Cpanel. Let's do that. Let's check the results. And as you can see, sorry, I think I made a mistake. Oh, no problem. We will come back and check it later. So let's go down here. Please subscribe to this channel, like, comment. You can even share so that others can also benefit from this course. Okay, so after that, let's go down here. We can click here to install WordPress, or we can click here to install WordPress. Okay, so you can just do any of them. Okay, good. Or we can also decide to come here and search for WordPress. Okay, but I would advise you to go with this. Okay, let me close that. Just go down here, Softaculous. So come here and select good, this one, Softaculous. Click on that. Good. Over here we have a lot of scripts here that you can install for free. Okay, all these are scripts that you can install, but we are here for WordPress, so click here, install. You'll be able to select the domain. Here I would advise you to go with the default one, that is https/. Okay, or you can go with https www/www. Okay, I want to go with this one, https/. Okay, good. And after that, the domain name, make sure here is empty. Okay, make sure it's empty. And we are done. Okay, so you have to go down here and fill the necessary information. Here, admin username, I would advise you to change it. I would rather go with Radar. Then the password, you can just generate the link here, password link. Okay, if this one is too short for you, no problem, can click on it to change it. Let me hide it, so you can just click on it to change it. Okay, So I will go with this one. I will select it, or I will hide it and change it again. Can now go down here, and then this is the email. You can now enter the email account or email address that you have already created. Okay, clean this one and enter it there, or you can maintain this and later create an account for this. So you just add admin. Okay, you know how to go about it. Good. The rest is okay. This one is not important. You can do it at WordPress dashboard, and you can even enter your email here. It's not that important. When you put an email here, they will send email confirmation just to tell you that the installation is successful. Okay, so everything looks fine here. Good. So what we need to do is to click install, and now just a few minutes it will be ready for us to log in. Okay, so let's count 2, 3, 4. Oh, it's almost done. It's done. Okay, so this is the link to our website. When I click on it, see, it has opened. This is the site, or I can click here to go to the dashboard straight away. So it will take us to the dashboard. I'm on the dashboard. Okay, so far so good. You are doing great. I can see that you want to take advantage of this modern kind of world where internet is giving us a lot of opportunity to learn new things, to discover thanks to YouTube and others. Okay, and other social media platforms where people are learning a lot from there. Okay, so thank you for watching. Bye bye.